Hey there, welcome to this TinyBrander tutorial for the email forwarding section. Now, let me explain what this section is going to be about. Inside all of your stores that come with TinyBrander, there is a contact form available for your users to reach out to you. Now, when they fill in that form at the bottom of your web store, it comes in here under the messages section in your dashboard. So all of the messages you might get through your web store can be seen here through the messages section. However, if you would find that to be inconvenient and you would rather have those form submissions forwarded to an email address of your choice, you can do that. And that's what the forwarding email settings is all about. So the way that we set that up is down here on the left-hand side in the settings area. So if we just click that, you can see along the top we have this heading called Forward Contact Settings. And all we have to do really easily is enter the email that we want to forward the forms onto, the form submissions onto. I'm going to use support@tinybrander.com. You would obviously use your own email address. And you just hit add email. It says settings updated successfully. And that is the process complete. It really is as fast and easy as that. So I hope that clarified what this is for and how to use it. And if you have any questions or concerns, as always, you can reach us at support@tinybrander.com. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.